Whether you're a budding photographer or a tech enthusiast, the best drones will go a long way for you. The premium tier options on the market deliver 4K video quality and advanced stabilization for professional level footage, all combined with extended flight time with intuitive controls. Features like high-resolution cameras for crisp images are almost a must these days, but we also want impressive battery life for longer flights with user-friendly interfaces. That said, let us dive into the world of drones to find the best option for your specific style. These are top 5 picks for today. Let's go. The first product we'll talk about is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, also known as the best mini drone in 2025. It's a mini drone, but it comes with advanced photo and video recording features. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the latest addition to DJI's line of compact drones designed for those looking for portability without sacrificing quality. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4 Pro offers 4K video and 48MP photos, ideal for aerial photography and video recording. This model includes a 3-axis gimbal for smooth and stable videos, even in windy conditions. There are 6 visual sensors combined with 34 minutes of flight time that can be extended to 45 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. The visual heart of this device is a CMOS sensor that promises images of impressive clarity and detail. Also, we have to say that the ability to record 4K 100 frames per second slow motion opens up a new world of creative possibilities. With this feature, users can capture and highlight every moment with cinematic precision. Aware of current trends, the DJI Mini 4 Pro includes features designed for today's content creators. A vertical shot, optimized for social media, is a clear sign for digital influencers and creators. A wide 60-degree tilt angle and digital zoom offer unprecedented flexibility, allowing you to experiment with different perspectives and close-ups to tell their stories in unique and engaging ways. One aspect that DJI has not neglected is safety. The Mini 4 Pro includes omnidirectional obstacle detection, which is a significant advance in accident prevention. This improvement over the DJI Mini 3 Pro is complemented by the Advanced Pilot Assistance System, which allows the drone to autonomously avoid obstacles. Thumbs up, that's for sure. The next product we'll talk about is the DJI Air 2S, the best all-around drone in 2025. The Air 2S has the same reliable and robust build quality that DJI drones display. The appearance is very similar to that of the Mavic Air 2, with some differences. First of all, obstacle detection sensors were added on top of the drone, as well as an auxiliary light below to facilitate takeoff and landing in low light. The collapsible design of the Mavic series remains familiar and makes it very easy to transport. When folded, the DJI Air 2S measures just 180 by 97 by 80 millimeters, with SI 4 millimeters shorter than its predecessor and can fit in the palm of your hand. Weighing in at 595 grams, the DJI Air 2S is really a light drone and weighs only 25 grams more than the Air 2, which is quite impressive considering it has the bigger camera. The DJI Air 2S is extremely easy and safe, with automated flight modes and anti-collision features that give you all the help you need. Of course, the drone has the usual quick-shot modes and automated flight modes that make it easy to create professional quality videos. DJI has also added a brand new mode called Master Shots that lets you generate professional quality sequences ready to share on social media. In this mode, the drone automatically flies around the subject and records 10 different video sequences from different angles. The app then assembles these scenes and adds music to produce a video that you can instantly share online. Also included in the mix is the Focus Track mode with several program modes where the pilot must draw a frame around the subject for the drone to follow. There's also a Spotlight 2.0 mode where the drone is controlled manually by the pilot with the camera locked on the subject, so the subject is always in the center of the frame. DJI Air 2S is extremely safe to fly thanks to obstacle sensors around the drone, in front, behind, below, and above the aircraft. They use binocular zoom technology to recognize the most distant objects when they're moving quickly. For the listed price tag, we find this one highly impressive. Up next, we present to you the DJI Avata 2, the best FPV drone on the market in 2025. The Avata 2 is an FPV drone designed to make first-person flight accessible to everyone, including beginners. Weighing only 410 grams, this model has a robust construction with integrated propeller guards for greater durability. The compact design makes it easy to maneuver and transport and the drone is still equipped with a camera capable of recording in 4K at 100 frames per second. The camera is stabilized by the Rocksteady digital stabilization system, which ensures smooth video even with fast movements. Avata 2 also has a wide 155-degree field of view, which enhances visual immersion. For the FPV experience, the drone is accompanied by DJI Goggles 3, packing 1080p resolution at 100 Hz. The drone uses the DJI O3 Plus transmission system, which provides a video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, ensuring a stable and high-quality connection. The flight time is 23 minutes, respectable for an FPV drone, which allows for long flights. The Avata 2 includes a rear and downward obstacle detection system, which adds a layer of safety. This system detects obstacles in the drone's path, reducing the risk of collision and making the flight safer, especially for beginners. The DJI Avata 2 is an ideal choice for those who want to learn FPV without the usual risks associated with building custom FPV drones, as it offers an immersive and safe flight experience. The immersive FPV experience and rugged design make it suitable for both professional videographers and enthusiasts who want to explore first-person flight. It works great, so a big thumbs up from here. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. The next product we'll talk about is the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. In our opinion, the best drone alternative in 2025. This drone is designed for the most demanding tasks and includes an impressive 6K camera with 50MP that redefines the sharpness and quality of every image captured. But it's not just the resolution that stands out. The autonomous flight modes, combined with advanced obstacle detection, ensure a safe and optimized flight experience. Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is a drone that combines robustness and advanced technology, allowing up to 40 minutes of continuous flight, and with a high-quality camera with 6K video and adjustable aperture. A special feature is the intelligent moonlight algorithm that delivers sharp images even in low light conditions. Also, the defog mode offers clarity in foggy or smoky environments. This model makes it easy to capture creative images with a 90-degree adjustable camera and HDR mode, and also has features such as dynamic tracking and the ability to automatically track people, animals, or vehicles. The foldable drone is capable of flying for about 40 minutes on a single charge and has 3-way obstacle sensors to avoid mid-air accidents. The 6K camera is solid, although we wish we could customize the video profile more, as only a flat mode is available. The Lite Plus has obstacle detection sensors on the front, rear, and under the hull, as well as a micro SD card slot under a small protective cover on the left and a USB-C port on the right. The range is 12 kilometers for FCC-compliant countries and 6 kilometers for CE-compliant countries. Finally, the Autel Sky app offers a complete interface with all the functions and flight information you need. Thumbs up! And now, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall drone in 2025. We're talking about the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the clear winner for today. Without a doubt, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is one of the great launches from the company. Its triple camera setup featuring a 70mm medium telephoto lens, another 166mm telephoto lens with 28 times optical zoom makes it one of the most complete professional drones on the market. The 3 Pro is a professional and very versatile drone. The triple camera is nothing short of amazing. Playing with the optical zoom of your telephoto lenses can allow you to capture subjects from quite a distance away with a maximum travel distance of up to 28 kilometers and a maximum travel time of 43 minutes. This extended flight time makes the DJI Mavic 3 Pro an excellent choice for long-term use. The Mavic 3 Pro boasts a primary Hasselblad 5.1K camera, perfect for professional photographers and videographers. The drone also features DJI's OcuSync 3.0 Plus communication system and software, enabling stable and reliable video transmission from long distances. Furthermore, the drone's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport, allowing pilots to take the drone with them on the go for extended long-range flights. As for video recording, the device allows you to record images in resolution up to 5.1K at 50 FPS or DCI 4K at 120 FPS. The drone is capable of flying for 43 minutes, and it also has an omnidirectional obstacle detection and a total of 8 visual sensors that allow for route planning and avoiding all kinds of unforeseen events during the flight. Overall, this model offers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it.